So how do you believe in yourself? What are the steps you need to take? If you haven't seen last week's video about the barriers that get in the way, then do check that out. I'll leave a link in the cards above and the description below so you can watch that first, because that will be really helpful. Today I'm going to give you the first 2 steps that will get you on that journey, that will begin the journey of believing in yourself. So let's just get straight into that. The first thing you need to do is recognise that there are lies in your life that you've taken hold of. There are barriers that are stopping you believing in yourself. Recognising that there are things that are holding you back is the most important one and the hardest thing to come to terms with. But if you have come to terms with the fact that you do believe lies and that you have taken on half-truths about yourself and you want to move on from that, then that is key. And if you have done that, I just want to say well done. It's really hard to admit that you're doing something wrong or you're believing something wrong. None of us want to do that. I am with you with that. I have thought some really bad thoughts about myself, really negative, destructive patterns in my life, and I've wanted to escape from them. I've wanted to run from them, but eventually I have given in and faced up to them. And the second thing, once you've admitted that you need to deal with that, is to make a decision to deal with it. Things don't get done unless you make a decision to decide to get things done. Decide that you want to think differently. Decide that you want to go through this thing. You want to go through this journey, which will be painful, which will take time, but to make the decision that you're going to go through this journey. Thanks for watching. As I've said before, these things take time. Give yourself grace. Give yourself time to go through these things and these processes. I'd love this video to have inspired you to make that next step to believing in yourself. If you have, just write the word yes in the comments below. And then don't forget to join me for next week's video where I talk about the next few steps. Great. So as always, don't forget to click or tap here to subscribe, or click or tap here to watch another video. I make new videos every week helping you live your life to the full and thrive. And if you like this video, make sure you give this video a like. It really does help me out a lot, and connect with me in the comments below.